The world has come a long way in regards to technology. Emails have created seamless communication, and cloud storage services like Dropbox makes it possible to access files virtually anywhere. Technology is definitely creating a more efficient, economical, and productive world. Anthony Wilhelm's book, A Digital Nation, lays out an agenda that entails equal access to information and communication technologies. Education, the economy, the government, and health services all benefit by effectively using these technologies to serve the rapidly expanding world. Advances in technology such as the internet and computers are one of the most important information communication technologies that lead to more creativity and innovation on an exponential scale. The world's population is only increasing, and technology harnesses our potential. At the same time, it seems as though all of these advances are happening so fast, and some areas of the world are lagging behind. But these time lags can be cut if these advances become easily accessible, in turn positively impacting global output and productivity for the future. Wilhelm proposes a digital nation backed by public funding and government policy that makes information and communication technologies affordable and available for the world to access. Doing so creates a connected, more efficient, and more educated population. Today, services are continuously moving online due to cost and time efficiency. However, a large part of the population is not connected online or do not own computers. But digital nation policies would ensure everyone has a chance to access these services. A digital nation calls for the installation of computers and internet in areas lacking these technologies. Doing so will create more education opportunities for the underprivileged and even make education accessible beyond classrooms and into other public institutions. Finland is regarded as one of the leaders in advancing education and technology. The government instituted a national strategy for education, training, and research to promote around-the-clock learning. It spends almost as much on training and research as it does on infrastructure. The Union City School District in New Jersey adopted similar policies to that of Finland and quickly transformed their education quality. They went from the highest dropout rates to the highest test scores in the state. As a result, similar policies are currently being proposed for the nation. However, it seems today that there has been a dramatic decrease in literacy rates, arguably due to technology. Yet, Wilhelm believes his digital nation agenda will fully maximize the educational value in technology and increase everyone's efficiency to learn. But is this to say that the sole purpose of technology is to serve educational means? Not exactly, but either way, effectively using information technologies in schools and universities would make classes more interesting and relative to the information age. More recently, laptops, smartphones, and LCD TVs dominate society's access to information and communication. These devices have established a more efficient economy, saving households, businesses, and governments billions in expenses. Because of blazing fast internet, Wi-Fi, and mobile networks, information, money, and knowledge can be shared at amazing speeds. New communication technologies are quickly replacing older forms and need to be accessed on a global scale. The United Nations even calls for the internet to be declared a human right, but at the same time believes the government should have full control over the internet. The United Nations Human Rights Council states that they recognize the global and open nature of the internet as a driving force in accelerating progress. But by allowing governments to control everyone's access to the internet, would this result in greater invasions of privacy? Since the digital nation agenda calls for the government to fund nationwide access, this may be very possible and alarming to online users. A Digital Nation was written in 2004 and predicted many of the progresses with technology today. Wilhelm also believed that the U.S. would have adopted his philosophy by now. However, the infamous recession along with other factors contributed to distracting his vision. On the other hand, it seems as though most educational facilities around the U.S. have been able to sustain a tech-friendly environment. Campuses are wired for wireless, and libraries have adequate computers. Classes can even be taken online or over holiday vacations. According to the United Nations Telecom Agency, the digital divide is in fact closing, but just not fast enough. Technology costs are decreasing, but not significant enough to provide everyone equal access. The digital nation agenda may once and for all close the divide. The internet will never stop opening up more possibilities for the future. With connectivity becoming available virtually everywhere, we will be tuned in and stay connected for a very long time. Fully unlocking educational potential in these technologies seems right around the corner. So what comes next? Making technology more affordable for the rest of the globe. Access to information and communication technologies for everyone is critical as we head towards the future. Doing so will establish an even more efficient, innovative, and happier world.